We all have questions about our finances from time to time, but a survey shows that each state has its own unique set of questions. Consumer reporter Jennifer Profitt tonight explaining what Michiganders are asking.
So, Bill, in the study, Student Loan Hero looked at the most Googled money terms in each state. People in Michigan are asking how to put more cash in their pockets. Michiganders, we make $2,300 less on average than the national yearly income. That's according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. So maybe it's no surprise that our most Googled money term is how to make more money.
Some are looking for more income today. Hey, I need to just survive. I need to make some more income today. Some are saying, gosh, this is okay today, but I don't know what to do. We're raising young children, or we want to retire in 5 years.
Mindy McIntosh in Freeland helps people manage their finances. She says if you want more money in your budget, ignore your income for a moment.
So the very first thing we're going to do in the financial industry is say, hey, what are we looking at for a debt load?
Whether it's a mortgage, student loans, or credit card debt, prioritize paying that down.
Which number one is going to then free up more income every single month to make them feel like they actually have more in their pocket or in their bank at the end of the month.
Next, you could look at ways to earn more money, say a second job, but make sure you choose something that works with your lifestyle.
Sometimes it takes a little bit of money. They got to put up some money to in return make some money. So we got to see if that's feasible. Plus, is it a commitment that they're willing to take the time away from their family or whatever else it is that they might be wanting to do.
Last, maybe you need a special degree to get a job that pays more money. Mindy says, look at your current line of work. There could be a way to boost your pay without the money and time involved with going back to school.
Our office, it isn't that they're going and getting a degree, but they can get some different licensures here. So we pay for their education and the licensing, which increases income.
Mm-hmm. Now, Mindy has one more idea. The change of seasons is a great time to go through your house and sell some unwanted clothing or items.
Does Mindy have any suggestions about, what to do with that money?
Yeah, so have a really clear idea of why you want more money. Is it a down payment on a house? Do you want to go on a vacation? And then when you free up the money in your budget or you earn some money by selling stuff, make sure you pointedly use it for that purpose.